Don't be poor. Don't be poor. Make up your mind. I will not be poor.
Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Let's make oatmeal today, okay? So first of all, I brought the water I'll be using to make the oatmeal, and now the water has boiled, so I will go ahead to add the oatmeal. Okay, I use 1/2 cup of oatmeal. I have to stir well, okay, to avoid having rum. So I will stir it very well, then I will cover it to cook for just 3 minutes. Okay, shout out to all my newest subscribers. I'm glad to have you all here. To my returning subscribers, oh jeez, you guys are the best. Thank you for always coming back to engage my video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Okay, so this is 3 minutes. It's all ready, so I will stir it well now and set it aside. I'll be using fruits for this recipe. Yeah, have you tried using fruits like strawberry, banana? Okay, do you like garnishing your oatmeal with those fruits? I do like it. Okay, so I'll go ahead to slice my strawberries and my bananas this way. Okay, if this is the first time of watching my video coming across my channel, thank you for stopping by to watch my video. Please click on the subscription button. It's free, and turn on the notification bell to know when I post any video. Like, comment and share to your family and friends. You can also join my membership to be part of this Inakakos. Okay, you will love it here, trust me. So I'm done cutting the fruit, so I will now pour the oatmeal in a bowl and then add honey. Okay, then I'll add milk. If you don't want to use honey, you can use sugar if you want, but I prefer using honey. Okay, then I use milk. I use evaporated milk. You can use any milk of your choice, powdered milk, whatever milk you like. Okay, after adding the milk, I go ahead to add the fruits, the strawberry and banana. Trust me guys, this oatmeal tastes so great. You will love it. If you've not tried having your oatmeal this way, just try it and give me feedback. Trust me, you will love it. Okay. So this is how I garnish it all, and it's all ready. Thank you for watching till this moment. If you made it to this extent, thank you so much. I love you guys. Please don't forget to also like, comment, okay, and share to your family and friends. Don't skip the ads, guys. As you know, we are already monetized. Okay, so the ads is where we gain from what we do. Okay, thank you guys so much. You can see how it's already looking so yummy, appetizing and attractive. I have to eat the remaining strawberry. Okay, the little one remaining. So this is it. Ta-da! How is it looking, guys? Do you love it? I'll really be trying it. Tell me in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I see you in my next video. Bye.